Hey there, go-getters! Are you ready to supercharge your career and make your professional dreams a reality? Ready to take your career to the next level? Let's dive into how you can achieve that. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to have every advantage at your disposal. Good news! Artificial intelligence is here to help, and it's changing the game for job seekers like you. Imagine having a tool that can guide you through every step of your career journey. One amazing AI tool is ChatGPT. It's revolutionizing the way we approach career development. It's like having a career coach in your pocket, available 24/7, ready to assist you whenever you need it. ChatGPT can help you write a killer resume, practice for job interviews, and refine your answers to common questions. And even network more effectively by providing tips on how to make meaningful connections. Whether you're just starting out or looking for your dream job, ChatGPT can help you put your best foot forward and stand out in a competitive market. I'm so excited to share some practical tips on how to use ChatGPT to boost your career prospects. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies. Your resume is your first impression, so it needs to grab attention. ChatGPT can help you create a resume that stands out from the crowd. Start by giving ChatGPT a basic outline of your work history and skills. Then, ask it to craft a compelling summary that highlights your strengths. ChatGPT can also help you optimize your bullet points. Instead of just listing your responsibilities, use ChatGPT to turn them into accomplishments. For example, instead of writing "manage social media accounts," try "grew social media following by 20% in 6 months." See the difference? Job interviews can be nerve-wracking, but preparation is key. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for acing those tough questions. First, give ChatGPT some background information about the job you're interviewing for. Then, ask it to generate some potential interview questions. You'll be amazed at how realistic they are. Once you have some practice questions, use ChatGPT to help you formulate strong and concise answers. Practice saying your answers out loud until you feel confident and comfortable. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll be ready to impress any hiring manager.
Networking is essential for career growth, but it can be intimidating. ChatGPT can help you make genuine connections with ease. Need help crafting a professional LinkedIn message? ChatGPT can help you write personalized messages that get noticed. Just tell it a little bit about the person you want to connect with and your goals for reaching out. ChatGPT can also help you write compelling emails for following up after networking events or informational interviews. By using ChatGPT to refine your communication, you'll be building relationships and expanding your professional network in no time.
Now that you know the basics, let's take your ChatGPT skills to the next level. Imagine the possibilities when you can leverage this tool to its fullest potential. The key to getting the most out of ChatGPT is to be specific with your requests. The more precise you are, the more accurate and useful the responses will be. The more information you give it, the better its responses will be. Think of it as having a conversation with a knowledgeable assistant who needs context to provide the best advice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and questions. This is how you learn what works best for your specific needs. You can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite your content in different styles or tones. This can be incredibly useful for tailoring your communication to different audiences. For example, you could ask it to make your resume summary more formal, ensuring it aligns with the professional standards of your industry. Or you could ask it to make your LinkedIn message more casual, making it more approachable and friendly. Use ChatGPT to research companies, industries, and job titles. This can help you prepare for interviews and understand the market better. This will give you valuable insights that can inform your job search and networking efforts. Knowledge is power, and ChatGPT can be your guide. The more you use ChatGPT, the more you'll discover its incredible potential. It's like having a career coach, research assistant, and writing expert all rolled into one. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool designed to empower you on your career journey, giving you the edge you need to succeed. It's here to help you save time, generate creative ideas, and present yourself in the best possible light. Whether you're drafting emails, creating presentations, or brainstorming new projects. But ultimately, you're the one in the driver's seat. You have the control and the final say in how you use this technology. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. Each interaction with ChatGPT is a step towards mastering its capabilities. The more you use ChatGPT, the more comfortable and confident you'll become in leveraging its power for your career goals, turning challenges into opportunities. The future of work is here, and it's full of exciting possibilities. Embrace the change and be a part of the innovation. By embracing AI tools like ChatGPT, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-changing job market and achieve your career aspirations, staying ahead of the curve and making your mark. I'm so excited for you to start using ChatGPT to unlock your career potential. Contact your local PMI chapter to host a Brand and Land ChatGPT session. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn from each other and cheer each other on. Remember, you and your PMI chapter are capable of amazing things. Go out there and make your dreams a reality. Visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel.